Alright guys, out here 2022 Honda Ridgeline, 15,000 mile service. I'm a little early, but I want to see how things are looking. I got an air filter, engine air filter, so I'm going to replace that today. So we'll just go in here. Our hood latch, upper hood. Come around, come around. Yep, I got to put this thing down. All right, got that back up. So you know the Honda Ridgeline, it's just to the hair of the left. You got your release lever here. You just hold it over, pick it up. There is no hydraulic, so you got your little kickstand here. So it just lays down this area. So I got it propped up. You've got the little short hole that leaves a smaller angle to your hood, or you can put it in the back one, which kicks it up higher. So I put it up higher just because I don't want to hit my head. But the air filter is in here. So we got a clip here. So this is a spring-loaded clip. Just flip it out of the way. And then you got one here. So those two are loose. So then on the back corner, we got one here. Of course there's one back here. So of course your back tab back here, both these they just slide under. Okay, so the box just slides under them. So once you get this clip off, or loose rather, and then there's one on the side. Once you get this one off, now you can just grab the Hoyer box, pull it forward, lift it up. Alright, so we got the three tabs loose. We'll tilt it up, kind of wiggle it forward a little bit. Alright, so we released the two back tabs. So there's your filter. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this, pop it up, out of place. Looks pretty clean in there. Looks like one little piece of grass in the bottom. So there's your filter. A little yellowing, a little discolored. Nothing major. We do have some gunk in there. You can see through the sunlight. Let's see if we can catch this out. Yeah, it's just kind of neat to look around. But right up in the bottom of them pleats, there are some dirt specks. You see there. So not horrible, but you know what? It don't cost that much. 15,000 mile service. We'll change it. So let me grab my new filter, which is an OEM Honda filter, by the way. Alright, there's our new filter. There's your number. Okay. And it just tells you on there, you know, that it is new Honda Genuine Element Air Cleaner. Alright, so we got that in the pack, and you know, this can only go one way. This goes down in the recess. You got a sealing here, lip here that sets in the box, and then your cover goes over that. So it's going to set down in there like so. I got a slightly damp microfiber towel, just barely damp, still dry. I'm going to wipe out this box. There is some little pieces down in there, and just make sure it's good and clean. In the corners, every place the particulates will gravitate to. I'm just cleaning them out real quick here. Make sure the sealing lip's good and clean where the filter sets. Alright. The filter opened up. This bag in my pocket, so I'm gonna blow away. Okay, so we need to lift this back up. And then we're going to slide this in. Of course, your deeper plastic piece is going to go down inside. Proper airflow. It's got a great fit in there. As you can see, it's nice and flush. So now we're going to try to get our lid back in place. So we want to go under the back two tabs very first thing. It takes a little manipulation to get them in there. Just to see and get them lined up. There's that one in the front. There's the back. So those back tabs are in. Now I should be able to go straight down. It's got it in good alignment, and I'm going to get my side clip on, my two front clips on. And there it is. That is in place. So we've got the filter changed. And then what I'll do is, anytime I do this stuff, self-maintenance, I always go into my garage on Honda site and update everything, you know, that I did, and the mileage and what was changed. So 15,000 miles, I can update. I did my cabin air filter earlier, so if you didn't see that video, check that one out. And we got the air filter done, easy peasy. Service at home, save some money. I understand sometimes it's nice to go to the dealer and get it done, and some of the bigger stuff, but you know, hey, if you can save $20, $50 here and there, why not do it? So easy, anybody can do it. That's what's great about YouTube, right? You got some videos, follow right along. So you guys take care, hope it helped, and we'll see you later.